Eat It Nation. Tonight we're gonna make some what the fuck they are. Let's keep going here for a minute. These are, what are these things?
Country style ribs?
Pork shoulder boneless western ribs. I'm gonna call them country style ribs.
Yeah.
How about that?
Okay.
Sound works for me. How about you?
Me too.
Okay. Alright, Eat It Nation. Tonight we're gonna make some country style ribs. These are boneless. We're gonna just sear them off on the grill. We're gonna bring them in here. We're gonna put them in a pan, and we're gonna do the rest in the oven. And come back and watch how I do this. I think you'll like it. Can you smell it?
Huh?
Can you smell what the Ron is cooking? Alright. Okay, we're going to season our ribs here. We got some seasoning salt. And some black pepper. Oh, and then we got the onion powder. You just kind of want to put a light to medium coat of all of these, and this is garlic. I know they call this a rub. Don't ever rub it in, just press it in. Now I'm going to flip all these over. Do the other side. Okay, we're just going to repeat the process. Take our seasoned salt. This is coarse ground black pepper, but I'm sure you can use table grind. It's really not that much coarser than a table grind pepper. Medium coat of garlic powder. And the same with the onion powder, just a medium coat. Okay, I got the grill going here. We're going to take these out, we're going to put them on. Now we're not going to sear them all the way through. We're not going to sear them all the way through. We're going to take them out there and we're just going to sear, give them a quick sear. And that'll hopefully, it's going to sear in the moisture inside the meat. And then we're going to bring them in here and we'll do something extra special with them. So we'll be back in just a few minutes. Okay, we're out here at the grill. It's up to 500 and we're going to throw our country style ribs on. Got them right here. Now, we aren't trying to cook these. We're just looking for a sear. Here, I'm sizzling. Alright. Now we're only going to give those long enough just to sear up on this side. We're going to flip them over and we're going to take them back in the house and we're going to do something else with them. So we're going to sit here right now. I can hear them cooking. Let's close this down just a minute for a minute. I can edit all this stuff. Think that was good. noise.
I could just turn it off. We're on.
All right, we're getting to where we want to be. We're going to flip these things. Just want to get some char on the outside. They're going to finish cooking in the house. We'll show you that in a minute. Yeah, they're getting good char. They're looking good. And the ones on the edge are getting it. So we're going to give these another minute or two and we'll be back in the house here in just a second. Turn up! Turn it up! Alright, we're back in... What's that? Alright, we're back in the house. We're going to mix some barbecue sauces together. And these are just a couple that I like. So you might want to show the barbecue sauce at this point instead of me, because they probably want to see. Actually, what I'm doing is getting stuff out of the refrigerator. Getting the stuff out of the fridge. And this is a really good one. This is called Jerk, and it's from Food Network. And they used to have it at Walmart. But you know what? You can't get it at Walmart anymore. You gotta get it online. So I'm gonna put a little bit of water in this. We're gonna shake it up. We're gonna get all that goodness. All that good stuff. And pour that in there. So that one's done. Now this is the same one I used out of the first one. I'll probably put a little bit of water in that too. So I guess the thing you want to do is get a couple barbecue sauces that you like. This is smoky barbecue sauces made by Lily's. So I guess that's up to you. Now I've got some onion and some bell pepper here. Throw those in there. And then we need a fork. We're going to stir this up. All stirred together. Probably end up adding a little bit more water to this, but I want to get the meat in here and see what it looks like, and then we'll go from there. So this meat was on the grill just for enough to give it a char like this, and I guarantee you that's nowhere near done. So that's a good char on some of those pieces. Get it turned up on the edge a little bit. Make room for everybody. So, a little bit of water in this one. This is a Lily's again. Same stuff again. It's just Lily's smoky barbecue sauce. Used to, you only needed 3 sauces. You needed Stubbs Original, and then Cubs Sweet Heat and their Sticky Sweet. And the Sweet Heat went really good on the beef, and the Sticky Sweet really good on the pork. And the original was good on pretty much everything, chicken. But then they changed all their recipes and they just ruined it. So that's what happens when you get number crunchers involved. So anyway, this is where we're at right now. I'm going to cover this with some foil. I'm going to put it in the oven for about an hour, and then we'll come back and look at it again. My oven's on 350. I guess I should say that. Alright, into the oven it goes. See you in about an hour. Okay, I'm fixing to make some of my potato salad. Pretty simple. I'll show you how to season this up. So here's what we got. This is like 4 medium-sized potatoes, or what I would call medium-sized, but nowadays are large. But anyway, 4 medium-sized potatoes. I'm going to start out with some mayonnaise. This is really simple. This is just about empty, but I have a new one, so don't fear. And then just a little bit of mustard. I mean, just a little bit of mustard, like that. Then this is some celery seed. A little bit of seasoning salt. And some black pepper. A little bit of dill. And coming out there very good. Okay, a little bit of dill. Now we're going to stir this up. And I ain't telling you it's going to need some more mayonnaise or something, but you just stir it up really well so that all your seasonings are stirred up in there. Now I let these potatoes boil for a little bit over an hour, and I put a medium-sized onion, and it was actually a medium-sized onion. Alright, we're going to try it. Let's see what we got. Here, try it. Try that, baby. Take a bite. See what you think.
Pretty good.
Yeah. Pretty simple, wasn't it?
Mm-hmm. Maybe a tad salt, but we'll do that when we do our plate.
You know what? It's really close. And I'm going to leave it at that. The last thing I'm going to do is just a little bit of paprika on top. Because that's how Grandma used to do it. Just a little paprika on the top. Alright, we'll come back and show you the ribs here in just a minute. Alright, just pull this out of the oven. And in about an hour. They're in the 195 to, that was 200. That was 200. These are done. We got us some beans going, and you already saw us season the potato salad, so come back here in a minute. We'll put a plate together and take a taste of those ribs and see how they go. Alright, our country style ribs are done, and and we're going to take a bite and see what they are. We've already tasted the potato salad, so we're going to see how this thing get hold of it. Alright, let's see what's going on. Oh, these are a lot better than the spare ribs you got as a kid. Really good. You need to try this. Until next time, eat it!